Ashley here with the Graphite Lab, and today in this quick video we're going to be going over a tool that you can use in Excel, and it's actually called a function of Excel or Google Sheets, whichever you prefer, called the sum function. And this is actually going to save you a lot of time and effort if you're adding anything up manually. So let's get into it. Hop on into Excel or Google Sheets, whatever you prefer. Today, we're going to focus on this total column and figure out how to add everything up in one fell swoop so that we're not sitting here, for 20 minutes trying to add anything manually. So let's go all the way to the bottom of this data, of these sales. And you can see right here underneath the sales, I'm trying to get that total number. And if I were going to do this manually, I might hit the equals button and then, click one number, add it to another, and just keep adding those cells together until I get some sort of total. We're not going to do that. That's going to take way too long. So instead, we're going to use this sum function. And you can already see Google Sheets trying to help us out. But how we do that is we're going to hit equals and type out sum. You can see Google Sheets trying to help us out already. But for the purposes of showing you how to and kind of walking this and walking through together, hit equals, type out sum, do an open parentheses. And now what we can do is actually go to the top of where our sales numbers start. We're going to click and drag all the way down to the last number in the column, being sure not to include where our total and being sure not to include where our end total should be. After that, we're going to hit enter, and voila, we are going to see our end total right there, and we didn't even have to break a sweat. So there you go. That's how to use a sum function in either Excel or Google Sheets.